Yes, Pooja, you can start.
Okay. So welcome all back. So yesterday we have learned about the Inter and also the programs based on the Inter. So today is already said, like today we are going to discuss about the games, different games using the module Inter module and also other some modules also. So let let me start first. The first session is going to handle by me and followed by Danush. So let me start sharing my screen. Okay. Anyone can replay whether you can see my screen?
Yeah, Pooja.
Okay. Thank you. So yeah, the first game is dot game. Like everyone know what is dot game. We all used to play in when we are in kids. We used to play in Note. So the same thing, like using Python program, we are going to play with two players. And first I'll run the program and show you the output. Then I'll explain it. Yeah. You can see the box like this. This is the box which is this row and column which will be given by the users, and you can see the color also. Like first user is going to play with the color blue and next turn is player 2, so player 2 will have color as red. So the same thing as follows. Like if you complete one box, you can see this blue is filled. Again the same thing will happen at red also. So this is the game. And if you all things are over anyway, it's going to give draw or player one scores best score and or player two is the best score. So like that it's going to show. So I'll explain the program first. So first you can see that box in the canvas. Like I have created the root window. In that I have created canvas, and in that you can see like the wordings down, like player 2 next place by player 1, next place by player 2. So like that the wordings is also shown. So that is by the canvas text. And I have imported another module called NumPy. NumPy is nothing but it is for the chance. Like it's going to give chance for both the players. So we are going to give the chance to both players. So same thing I have created. You can see here board size and board width also I have given, like now a number of columns and number of rows. I have gridded it. And here here I have different functions for working. Like if I click the line 1, it should make us blue, so then player 1 is playing, like that it should show. So that I'm giving play. And also there is an option, if you complete the whole game there will be an option called play again or cancel. So that option is also there. So for that I'm using this function play again. And this def is grid occupied. Grid occupied is nothing but rows and column. I'm going to give. So if the particular row is filled with blue, so the player 1 got that point. If the particular row is filled with red, then the player 2 is going to get that point. So that is the logic between this game. So for that I'm organizing another one function called is grid occupied. And also convert grid to logical position. Yeah, for positioning, like if the left hand side is filled by the red user and right hand side is filled by the blue user, then it should be positioned like both the users of playing in this corner or that corner. Like for that I'm giving the position that for that particular program, that particular function, I gave the function name what convert grid to logical position. And mark box is nothing but marking. It's like marking in red or marking in blue. For that marking position I have given this function. If I click that particular line, dotted line, that line becomes the color what the player is playing. Like if a blue player is playing, it will become as blue or else in a red. So if I click the dotted line, it should show. Like for that I'm creating the mark box. And update board, like after play, if you want to play again, the board should be clear, right? The board should be clear for the next play. So for that it's update board. After finishing one game, it's just clear all the old one and giving you the new product. That is called for that I'm giving the update board type. And game over. Anyways, anytime the game is going to over or game is going to become draw, or maybe player 1 wins or maybe player 2 wins, for that it's a game over and it's going to give us a result whether it's a draw or which player wins and who scores greater. and display game, the same thing for game over different, and for giving the result different program we have, different function we have inside the program. And you can see the scores also, like you can see score underscore test is equal to what score we are getting. Player one got how many scores and player two got how many scores, or else it is a tie, it will be at the end of the result. And refresh board is like clearing it for once more play. And shade box and all, we are giving the color, for giving the blue color, red color, what are the options we have. We can fill with any color. I have used blue and red. And here the click button, you can see the click button when I started a game, you can see I can click a button so that it operates. So for that this, and last I'm just calling all those functions to work. And this is the one of the program I again run. We'll just play it. Okay, you can see that for result box I just play it. Okay, you can see the box is filled with red and blue, and here it is filled with, so now that is nothing draw. You can see nothing went wrong here. See, this is not colored because there are two different colors in the same box, so it's not getting colored. Yeah, automatically you can see down, it's showing us which player want to play in the same color also. So that is just for my identification, I gave the same color. If you want, you can change the color also. Yeah, like this, the same. You can reduce the number of rows and number of columns if you want, or else you can keep, if you want to increase or decrease, that is depend upon the user. So yeah, okay, fine. Then it, anyway, this game is going to become draw because you can see the center box is filled with nothing. It be white because you can see here all is red and here blue. So this game will give a result draw, and if it also shows the box like play again. If you click that, this board will get refreshed and clear board you will get again, so that you can start playing again. So this is the game one. Using here we have used two import modules, like one is tkinter and another one is numpy module. So any doubt in this program? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You can chat me. Okay. So I guess no one have any doubt. We'll move on to the next one. Okay. Hangman game. Who are all know this hangman game? Anybody have played this before? Hangman game. Okay, just a common question, not like doubt question. You can replay. Okay. Yeah. So hangman game is nothing but, here I have given certain titles. It's like it will give you the like it will give you dash and you have to fill the letters. Like if you fill the letters, then the letter is wrong, then it's going to give you a particular part of the object which is there. And if the whole letters is wrong and all the trials you did is wrong, then the one man is going to hang over that side. I'll run and show you. Just see what is. Okay, you can see like the dashes are over here, and also the keypad is also there. So if I'll click, yeah, it starts up F R. Yeah, it H is not there, so it written like first image is just a line. I click A. Okay, G is not there. I is there. Q is not there. Z is also not there. M is also not there. D I have already clicked. C is not there. K is not there. A, J, Okay, it's game over. Yeah. So you can see the man is hanging over here, and I didn't find the letter still. So it said game over. Okay. If you want a new game, you can see here the one more icon is here. You can click new game and you'll get another option. So with that, it starts again. The game starts again. So I'll explain the program. So for this, I'm importing like tkinter module, string module, and random module. String module is nothing but for this particular titles, I have given the string module. Is all titles are going to be in string, and the dash words, what are going to fill it also in strings, and also the keypad. You can see the keypad that is also in string. So that for that, I'm importing string module, and tkinter for that canvas and for gridding A, B, C, D, all those things in a row one, column two, column one, row two. For that, I'm importing. And random module is nothing but randomly it should we can click any of the button and it randomly it should work. For that, I'm giving random module. So word list here I have given the name of some countries. So if you want, you can give your friend's name or any movie name, whatever you want, you can give. And of this images, you can see photos like what the hangman, it starts from first line, then one horizontal line, then vertical line, like that. So all these things you must create a folder in your PC, and then you have to give the location of the particular folder. You can see here I have given C user HP downloads. I'll show you. See, this is the particular location. Here the photos are there. One is blank, and if it is zero, nothing is there. Hangman one, just a horizontal line, and two is vertical line. Three is another one horizontal line. For that, move like for that. If one word is wrong, particular thing is raised up, and another is wrong, then other thing is raised up. So till 11th move, you have chance. Till 11 chance you have. You can see here hang 11. So 11 chance you have, and in the 11th chance also you lose. Then you're going to lose the game, and you start a fresh game. So for that, you have to like first thing before doing this program, you have to get the images and store it in a folder and copy the path of the folder, and you should give it here. For for 11 images, 11 different images we have. So for 11 images, you should give here. And here we have like in every game we will have a different functions, because the game is going to do different functions. One is end game, or else play ahead, or else give score. Like that, you are going to have a different functions inside the program. So for that, I'm creating a user defined functions. So first user defined function is new game. You can see the box new game, right? If you click that, then it should refresh all the things, and it should give you the new one. For that, you need one function. And for guess, you have an option guess. If you are guessing it, for that I have given random module. I said if guess the letter, any letters, if it is there, you have to guess and you have to import it. For that, I'm importing random module and created a function called guess. And also like next is like creating a window and creating buttons A, B, C, D, all are like in type of buttons. Like if you click it, it's just going to work. That is a button. So for that button, I have imported button labeling, label all the buttons, and also creating a root window, canvas, and giving and calling these functions. So this is just a simple program. Just program is little bit length, but very simple logic we have used here. Just you have to keep in mind what are the modules you have to import, and before starting the programs, whether you need any files for that program. Like here we want the image files, and that should be in our system so that we can get the images. So for like that, you have to think, and you can easily work on the program. And here in this word list, you can give any words, not only the countries. You can give anything you want. Maximum of 10 or 20 you can give, because it will select randomly, right? You are not going to select, it will select randomly. So it needs some options. So again, we'll run how many lines anybody have any guess also, you can give me in chat box. I'll just start with any letter. Okay, E is not there. A will be okay. A, it starts with A, and here also it have A. Any guesses you can say, or else I'll show the program. You just see the word titles. You just see the word titles, and you'll if you get any idea what where it is. Okay, you can see A is starting. I have one idea. I'll just check it. Okay, it is not there. Mm, okay. Lakshmi have given Amristar. Okay, I'll check. Yeah, you guessed it. So the game over. Like this, this is a basic game. Yeah. So both the games are over, and apart from game, I have a few little like logic programs using the Tkinter module. Just I'll show you the program, not a big one, just a small thing. So conversion of kgs to different measurements. You can see in max conversion of meter to centimeter, centimeter to meters, kgs in grams, all these things you have read in max, how to convert it. If it is in centimeter, you have to convert in meter divided by 100 or into 100, like that. We have many rules in max. So same things with same very basic logics. I'm going to convert this kg into three different types. One is gram, another one is pound, and another one's ones. So here you can see I have imported a tkinter module, and from definite I have created a different function called from kg. So from kg is nothing but just a name I have given for my function. So gram, if I want to convert it to gram, the given kg in gram, then multiplication into 100, or in pounds I have to multiply by 2.20 into 4462 some value, and once I have to multiply it by 35.27. So then I can delete if I want, or else if I want a new value to be imported, I can do that. So creating the label and creating the entry box. Entry box, and you can see the box where we'll enter our values. Entry box, and click convert button. We need the button called convert, so that if I click the button, it go to the function and call the function, and operates that particular function. So I'm gridding all the things in rows and column wise. Rows and column wise is very basic for everything. If you want your program to look very beautiful with the row and column wise, then you can move for grid function. Yeah, you can see here. This is the entry box where we can enter our values. Is called entry. This input the values in kg. So I'll give 60 68 kgs. I'll give. You can see this 68 kgs is going to convert in three different types, like gram, pound, and ones. So just click the convert button, and you can see this 65 in grams, it is 68,000. In pounds, it is 149.91, and once it is 2,398.63. And if you want to enter new button, you can delete this old one, and you can give 34 and give convert. The old value is erased, and it's giving you the new value. So this is very basic, one of the basic function in using tkinter modules. And the one more thing is age calculator. So age calculator is nothing but if anybody asks you what is your age, you will be saying like what the age is running age you'll be say, or else someone will still have confusion that which is your running age and which is the age, what is your actual age. So for that we can use this program. For age, if you came to age, you need to have a date or a date and time. So that for I'm importing date time, import data. From date time module, I'm importing date module. And tkinter, anyways, I'm going to use with tkinter module. For that canvas and all buttons I need. So for that, I'm importing tkinter module. So creating root window, geometry title is very basic. And calculate age. Age is nothing but you're going to get your age. From today, it's going to count. If you're giving like 2003 some year, and from today till before that year, it's going to calculate what is your age in the format of year, month, and date. I have given the format. You can see year and dot entry, month entry, and date entry. It will be in the format of year, month, and date. And I'm importing my name, year, month, and day, and it will give you the particular for that name what is your age. You can see the output once. Yeah, I'll give Year 2003, I'll give month November, day is 20. So if I give like this, calculate age. Okay, 1 minute. It should be now. Okay, sorry, it's numerical value. Yeah, you can see Ram, your age is 18. So this particular month and this 2003 year, Ram age is 18. So you can give any year and you can check what is your running age. So this is another one program using tkinter module, and also with another module called daytime. So you have any doubt in any of this program, or else any program which is taught yesterday, or basic, anything you have any doubt? Apart from this tkinter module, you have any other doubt about regarding the Python, you can ask. Okay, okay, just a minute. Okay, I asked if you have any doubt, you can say me. Okay, I'll show you one more program. With that, I'll end my session and I'll hand over it to Danush. Okay, this is like here. Can you see my screen first? Anybody can replay whether you can see my screen?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay. So yeah, this is nothing but using the tkinter module. I'm just going to play the audio, like playing audio. For that, I'm importing one more module called play sound. So you're going to hear a music. You can hear the music. And for that, okay, I'll run the program and I'll explain the program later. Yeah, you can see this is the label I have created. I'll play. You just hear the sound. Okay? Okay, I guess you have heard the sound. Okay, volume is low. 1 minute. Okay. So I'll explain the program and then again I'll run the program. Okay. Yeah. The first thing is I'm importing the tkinter module. You can see all those red color and white color, red and the black boxes. For that and all, I need buttons, label, and also message box. So for that, I have imported tkinter module and play sound. It's like play sound module is giving me this all BGMs from net. I can download and I can take it over to the folder, and from folder it need to play sound, right? For that, I'm importing this play sound module. So def play, this play is nothing but for playing the music which I have selected. For that, I'm importing sorry, I'm giving a user defined function called play. So before using this program, I already actually said that before going on to any program, if you need any folder to be created, first do that. For this, I need any three audios first in the same folder in where this particular program file is saved. So you can see like I have D folder Python program audio1.mp3. It should be in the type mp3. So that you should keep in mind, because play sound module works with only with the mp3 thing. So I have my file name is nothing but audio one, and it's in the form of mp3 format. In the same, you can see this, that the both the program and my file is in the same location. D folder Python program, you can see D folder Python program. So it should be like that. Here I have given 3 songs. So I have three different names, path names I have. So I'm creating a root window. I'm creating the label called you are here to listen. You are here to listen the track. With that particular text, I have some label with background red and foreground blue. And I have radio buttons. You can see the buttons in near that near that black box. You can see the buttons, 3 different buttons. So that is nothing but radio buttons. Radio buttons, you can see first is like Yanji BGM. It will be that text will be in like Yanji BGM, and second will be like and second, third. There will be 3 different columns, and also I have given the font and background and foreground color also. And I have packed all these buttons and labels with my root window, and I'm calling the main loop. That's all. This is a very simple program. Only thing you have to import is play sound module. You can import that module from command prompt like pip install play sound. You can import it, and after importing you have to um, download the audio, like 3 different audio you need for this program. So you can download 3 different audios from net, and you can save it in the same folder where the particular file is saved. And after that, you can start with the program, because before that, if you start, you'll get an error, and it will be tough to clarify those errors. So before starting the program, you can do these 2 things, and then you can start the program. So I'll just run the program again. Just see the output. Yeah, you can see the output. This is the label. It is background is red and foreground is blue in color. And you can see this is the radio buttons. I said this is the radio buttons, and this is the text in the radio buttons. And this is all the foreground. Foreground color is white and background color is black. So I'll just play next song. You can hear, I guess. Yeah, you can hear, I guess. You heard, right, everyone? What I played now? Okay, I guess yes. So yeah, and the only drawback of this play sound module is like we can't pass or we can't stop the song in the middle. So that is the one of the drawback of this play sound module, because you can see like I can't able to pass my song in the middle. Only at the end I can cancel it, and I can't able to stop also. It should stop on its own. So this is the one of the drawback of this play sound module. And if you want to do different module, you can have a PySK module is there, and different pygame module is there. All these modules also, you can, instead of this play sound, you can use that modules. And in that you have pass, in that you have pass, but stop is not there in all the modules. It is very rare you can stop the song. Only pass is available in pygame module. So this is for multiple audio. If you want for single audio also, same thing. Like you can delete this else if and else statement with only one statement. You can call the function, and it will run with only one audio. If you play that function, if you call that function, if you run the program, only one audio will be played automatically without clicking on any buttons. So are you clear with the program? Any doubt you have? These programs will be posted in the WhatsApp as well as in the GitHub. You can take the program and you can check also. So any doubts you have? Okay, I guess no doubt. So Danush, are you there?
Yeah, yes, Pooja.
So I'll hand over to Danush. Okay, he'll start with the next. Danush, you can carry on.
Okay. Screen visible, Pooja.
Yes, Danush.
Okay. So hello guys, this is Dhanush here. In previous session we have discussed about we'll be seeing a game in today's session. Okay, the Puja was started about that. You'll be seeing a game, some games related to the Python programming languages. Okay, the concept behind all the games is simple. Okay, it's a same. Okay, you'll be using the same input commands and calling statements again and again to execute the program successfully. So we'll be having a doubt session 2 to 5 minutes in this hour. Okay. Do you have any doubt? Ask me in last. Okay. So you know what is XO, right? XO. It's a game tic tac toe. Okay. We'll be having a row or two column. Okay, with the equidistance, and you'll be placing XO randomly. And if the X are which comes a state, and it will be called the person who player one or player two is a win. So it's a simple concept of XO. So how to create this XO with Python? Okay, this is the thing we are going to do. So first of all, same thing we are going to import something from command libraries. These are libraries we are going to import. Okay, it is not necessary. Some of us that it is necessary to install each and every command for each and every program. There's no need for import random, import tkinder, and that import a message box. These programs you have been once you install, it's enough. It's no need to install again and again. Okay. First, I will run this program. Then I will explain this concept. Okay. Do you have any doubt? Just keep with the doubt. I will explain it later. So this is the thing. Okay. First, you will be asking like single player or multiplayer. If I give us a multiplayer, it will be opening like this. So first player is me, and second player two is a computer. Okay. If I give X, sorry, I'll be started with that thing. Okay. If I will start with the multiplayer. So it will start with X, and I'll be giving a O here. Okay. Give X, then O, then X. Then it will be showing as a player one on the match. Okay. If I'll be doing this thing again. See. So in the same multiplier option, so I'll be giving like x, okay, then o, then x, then o here, then x, then o, x, o, x. So it's going to show as a tie game. Okay, it's not possible to win at all. Okay, if I run in the session of a boat with a boat wins, see, I'll be running this, giving option like single player. I'll be giving x. It will be randomly placing a O here, right over here. So if I place x here, so it will be placing a O right over here. So same thing. So it's not possible. It's going to show us a tie game. So if we be playing like this, okay, the same thing multi single player. If I play lethargically, so it's tie, right? Wait just a minute. Okay. So it shows us a player one on the match. Like that, it's going to show that take the range from 1 to 3 again and again. It's going to return the statement again and again. I will explain this program. Okay. Yeah. I got some questions. I will explain those questions later. Okay. Yeah. First, the code start by creating the list of three lists. Okay. The list is a board in which that contain three empty strings for each row, and then the two functions called winner and analyst. Okay, it's going to analyze each and every line, and it's going to return again and again. For example, if the first number is 0, okay, then it will be back and check to see a 1 matches with the value as well. And similarly with being with 1 beat and check it against a 2, and it goes on till 3 again and again. Okay, this will continue till all the possible values are being checked for that equally with the one or the other. Okay, this is the simple logic we are using in this. So again, we will be using a tick in the concept here. So I saw the tick in there where you are using this tick in there. So we have used this tick in there in this area. So we'll be creating a layout. Okay, we'll be having a title as welcome to tic-tac-toe or something single player or multiplayer and exit. Okay, these four things will be coming under this tick in there thing. Okay, see, you'll be having it will be coming under the tick in there, right? So if I click a single player, so what's that value of single player will be giving, will be calling those single player here. Okay. For each thing we'll be calling a single player. If I click over single player, what it going to show, what it going to do. Like that we'll be programming all those things again and again with the same repeated loop. Okay. So again the one more concept, if the person player one has been, it's going to show the player one has been with if the each rows and columns are equal. So x has been placed equally in a 3. Okay, x. Okay, it will be placed like this. It's going to show the player owners again. So like that we have been programmed this concept. Do you have any doubt in this thing? Yeah, we have used def statement. So for calling those statement, we have used def. Okay, for calling the statement, we have used def to run the execute this program. So this is a simple algorithm of this. Somehow I'll just share those things. Yeah, we'll be having all the study material for each and every unit. So we have been shared till unit 2. The 3 and 4 will be shared today. Okay, we'll share those third unit or fourth unit. Okay, PPT, sorry, PDF today in WhatsApp. You can take this thing. We'll be having algorithm. Okay, well explained algorithm. We'll be having 10 to 15 lines of algorithm explanation for each and every profile. Like this program will be having a more explanation. Okay, simple words will be given. So in this once you read, you can get those things. The sample input and output is also pasted. Just once you copied those thing, okay, copied those thing in a PPT or PDF, you'll be getting once you paste it in ideally, you are in the position to work with this program. So okay, let me go into a next program called just a minute. Color game. So what is this color game? First I'll run this program and I'll explain this concept. So what is color game means? It's nothing but it will be having a thing called, it will be giving a time 30 seconds. Okay, if I press enter, it will be showing purple. So it's a thing blue, right? So the type is a blue. It shows like this. It's red, I think. So blue means green. So with pink, so what's the color? White. So black. So the time of it won't take. So you can see the in this area. The type of the color, the types of color in the words are not the word that of text. Okay, so I got a five out of. You'll be getting a more thing called. You'll be getting 5 to 12 colors approximately. Okay, it will be repeated again and again. Once you failed. Okay, so you'll be getting the score again. Okay, you'll be getting those things again and again. So I'll explain this program. Just a minute. Yeah, okay. The code start by importing a tkinter and random concept. Okay, and we are giving thing called red to brown. We are giving some 8 to 10 colors red over here, and the score will be setting as a 0 at the first thing, and we are going to give a time as a 30. Okay, so giving a 30 is enough. Okay, no need to mention a 30 second and all. So first we are using def statement to start over the game, and next color will be having those statement to move on the colors again and again. So it will be moving again. So countdown will be this countdown start. Okay. The countdown is one start. Okay. Once you press enter, the countdown will start. Once the count became 30, it won't work. Okay. If you press enter, if you type those things, color name, it won't work. So root tkinter. With the help of tkinter, we have been created those layouts. Like type the color of a one word like that we have been created. The time left or something. The name which like this. Okay. So these are the things. Simple layout we have been created for this game. So for every program, you should end up with a close the statement of the tick dot entry root or main with main loop like that. We are going to pack those statements. Then only it will work. If I take those pack statement, it won't. Okay. So I got a chat like this Python is used to create only this type of or you can use a big language like that. Yeah, I didn't chat it. Okay. Yeah, it is possible to create a games, but not that heavier game and all we can create with this Python because we'll be getting error often. Okay, so games like Free Fire or PUBG, these have been the programming language involved is Java or C++. They'll be using those languages. So then what's a Python use means? I will be using a Python in the field of security purpose and website creation. So these are the things we'll be using Python. It's not like that. We've not touched the concept of Python in the type in the gaming. It's not like that. So we'll be using a concept of Python, not much. We'll be using somewhat. Do you have any doubt in this concept? Okay. Yeah, some of them chatted me doubt, so we will be clarifying those doubts in the last session. Okay. If you don't have any doubt, we'll move on to the next thing. So next is a snake game. You know what is a snake game, right? Snake game. So you be. I hope you saw those games, right? So wait this one. Yeah, okay. So I will share the thing, right? So this is the code for those snake game. Okay. Yeah, Pooja, can you hear me?
Yeah, Dhanush, you can continue.
Yeah, okay. Okay, this is the game called snake game. Okay, the simple thing. They're going to also what's a simple algorithm of the snake game is. So there will be a box. Okay. Uh, there will be a box like this. Okay, and we'll be having some of the dots. Okay, the snake is going to capture those dots, those balls, and even eventually the score is also going to be added. So this is the thing we are going to use this in this snake game. Okay, so once the snake hit the wall, okay, hit the box, it will be going to terminate out. It will going to kill the program and it will going to come out of the loop. Let's see how this program works. Mm, okay. So first of all, the code start by importing the Pygame library. Okay, then it imports the time and the random libraries or whatever libraries is needed. So it will be in the position to import all those libraries. Okay, and next it creates a variable called snake speed with equal to 15. Okay, we'll be giving a setting as speed 15. You can change it speed of the snake game in this line. Okay, so if you create a window as a XY, okay, X as 720 and 480 respectively. So we'll be creating those layout with the help of those tkinter concept. Then the next line is set back to the color of our pixels on the screen that are no transparency to set them. Okay, which is used to a pixels of alpha to set the value. Okay, value in it. Okay. If the player press the right key, so the keys are very important in this play the snake game. So if you press a right arrow or down arrow, left or right, so you'll be giving eventually that functions. Okay, if you press a left, the snake will move to a leftwards. If you press top key, it will be going top as well as bottom and right. So I'll explain this concept. See, I'll explain this program once I run this. So this is the thing. Okay, so I will be getting like this. So if I'll be using a key, right? That in keypad I'll be using a left, right, and down. So see the score. It will be into 10. Okay. So if the snake hit the wall, okay, it will be showing like your score is something, and it will be killing. It will be coming out of the loop. So this is the concept we have been using in this snake game. Okay, I will continue. There will be following examples like if you have to change up direction, down direction, or left or right, we'll be using we'll be controlling those snakes. Okay, with those lock FPS, we can say like that also. The code will be little bit. Okay, I'll see that. Yeah, when it out, I'll explain it again. So I said only the okay. I didn't give a line by line explanation. So just by that, I just said about algorithm. Okay, how the program works. Actually, this program is just thing that we have been we'll be giving something command up, down, left or right like that. We'll be giving. So that's the thing. First thing, and if the snake hit the wall, means it will come out of the loop. Okay, this is the second thing. Then you'll be giving the snake like that snake thing, like that long line. So we'll be creating that, and we'll be creating that random white dots in the layout. So we'll be creating that, and we'll be setting the score, okay, into 10 for each capturing. So we'll be setting those things. These are the things we'll be having that letters or area or letter, something like letter name. Okay. Do you have any doubt? Just ask me. So what is FPS? So FPS is nothing but frame rate. Okay. Some girl have chatted me. What is FPS? So FPS is a frame rate, frame per rate. Yeah, we have been using a false statement. So what is the need of false statement? Okay, I'll answer that. So what is the need of false statement is if the program is turns are wrong. Okay, if a program goes wrong, once the false statement has been executed, or else it will be coming out of the loop. Okay, do you have any doubt? Or we'll move to the doubt clarification session. Okay. Uh, okay. So first of all, we have started this Python bootcamp with the basic basics. We have been took 2 days to complete those basics. Okay. In third day, we have been started with the social networks, computer networks. We have been started and we have completed those things. And in fourth day, fourth or fifth day, we have been started with the chat up and database. Okay. Like that, we have been started and we have ended with that. And next day, we have been started with programming language in Python. Basics program like how to create a QR code, barcode, so how to extract something from video clip, how to extract audio from the video clip. Like that, we saw the programs in basic section of programs. In advanced section of programs, we saw that how to face identification, okay, finger identification, how to reduce volume of your PC with gesture thing, how to create a translator, how to create a audio boot, how to create a Alexa, like that program they have been discussed. And next day we have been started with the T-Kinder concept. So in this T-Kinder concept, we have took all those basics, okay, even from the beginning to end, all those basics we have been discussed with you, and we started with those T-Kinder thing also. We have just started and completed with all the programs like this, how to create something, age calculator, gift calculator, guest like that. Those programs have been discussed in this T-Kinder concept. Okay, and we are moving on to the gaming session. So in this gaming session, you have learned about how to create some games. Okay, this is not a basic thing. This all the games are bigger only. I know that. So we have been discussed with those games. Okay, with the help of the T-Kinder concept. Okay, and I got that it is mandatory to use a tkinter for a graphics. So it is not a mandatory to use a tkinter for graphics. We'll be having a turtle also. Okay, we'll be having a turtle thing. Turtle is also graphics oriented concept only. You can use a turtle also for this, but you can't create a games and all with a turtle. Just create some of graphics using this turtle command by importing a by importing a turtle command in the IDE. Do you have any doubt in this Python session? So in 2 or 3 days, we are going to wind up this Python bootcamp with ethical hacking, and we'll be having one more thing called Arduino. Okay, how to discuss? We'll be discussing about Arduino programs, Arduino related programs. Okay, we'll be sharing a feedback link, bro. Just a minute. So if you have any doubt, or else we can wind up this session. Do you have any doubt? So what is what? Okay, okay. So what is turtle? So Turtle is nothing but it's a gaming thing. Sorry, it's a graphic oriented thing. We'll be setting a range, we'll be setting a speed, okay. Like that will be randomly, it will be graphics will be created within the range, within the column, within the rows and column what you have mentioned. Okay, that's the thing of Turtle. Do you have any doubt or else we can wind up? Yeah, Pooja was in the feedback link. You can fill the feedback link and you can leave the meeting. So once you have filled the feedback link, you can leave. Pooja, can you hear me? Pooja?
Yes, Tanush.
Yeah, you can end up. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Everyone kindly fill the feedback link so that only we are able to receive the certificate in the last of the session.
So some have asked about what is try. So what's a try statement? So the try statement is nothing but a try block is used to check the some codes for error. For the error purpose, we'll be using those try statement. I hope you cleared that. Do you have any doubt? You can ask me or you can DM me. So many have asked about that PPT or PDF. Those things. We'll be sharing those things. Okay. Today we'll share those things. Okay. The participants, once you fill the feedback link, you can leave the meeting. Okay. Okay, ma'am, you can end the meeting. I hope some of them they have filled the feedback link.
Yes, ma'am. Mostly we have got response. You can enter.
Pushpavali ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Everybody fill the feedback form.
Yes, ma'am. Mostly they have filled, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Yes, thank you all.
Thank you.